If you're a retailer, here are the top things you need to look for in your enterprise WFM. 1, demand forecasting. You need to be able to handle the peaks and valleys of the demand in your organization. Your historical information, your footfall, different work orders or work packages, whatever your drivers are, need to be able to intelligently drive your demand, meaning how many people you need to staff your stores with, or your locations, your factories, your manufacturing plants. You have to make sure your demand is in order and in line with what is forecasted. Number 2, being able to create ideal schedules, meaning ideal assignments in a compliant way, making sure that people aren't either going into overtime, you're not stressing out people, handling fatigue management, whatever your scheduling needs are, being able to handle that in a simple and compliant way. Number 3, handling change requests. In retail, it's a very dynamic environment. From the stores to the manufacturing plants or the distribution centers, things are always moving. Your solution has to be able to be dynamic enough to handle the multi-location nature of the business, to be able to handle resource pooling or resource distribution. Number 4, being able to capture time effectively, efficiently, and without time theft. When it comes to retail locations, it's very easy to cheat time capture. You can prevent this or alleviate time theft issues with very simple solutions such as beacons that WorkAxle offers, that you can actually track time and make sure that someone is actually on site, make sure that people aren't cheating time, and making sure that it's the right person at the right place, all in a way that is more cost effective than the alternative solutions on the market. Lower cost of ownership, lower cost of maintenance, and easy to handle internally from your management team. And lastly, handling compliance. When we talk about time capture and the approval of time, there's always the bonuses, the overtime, the split shift calculations, the callbacks, all these different compliance elements that really tie everything together, from the plan time to the assignments and the actual time. How do we then evaluate that time appropriately so that our people are compensated correctly, there are fewer disputes on payroll, and that people get the money that they're entitled to? This is what you'd have to be looking for in an enterprise WFM solution.